Hey guys, Carl's from the HID factory, and today I got this Jeep Wrangler. So this is one of the bigger Jeep projects we had. This customer goes off-roading a lot. They just need, as most likely, like going at night, they like just being outdoors. So they came up to us, hey, we need as much light as we can get. We outfitted them with the light bars there, top, the 4-inch ones. We upgraded the headlights as well, and added the more aggressive cover on top of it. So one thing about our headlights, these are actually sealed beam if you want to come up and check them out. The reason we like these over just swapping to LED bulbs or swapping an HID kit, this is a sealed beam. This is a sealed 6/7 inch. And what that is, against water, dirt, anything else, is a completely sealed system. Nothing's going to get in there. Whereas with HID or LED, the back end, these Jeeps are kind of open aired. So any dirt, any sort of humidity, what have you, anything that's weathered could get in there. With these, they're completely sealed, DOT approved. On this set, we have also a projector, so these are projector LEDs. What that is, most Jeeps come with an open housing. When your housing's open, you're shooting like everywhere 360 degrees. Projector shoots it up straight at you. You have a 180 degree line, the light right where you need it. And also with this set, they come with halos. We have them with halos, without halos, and with color shift. So we have 3 tiers to choose from. One other thing on the Jeeps, we do have, this customer opted out for them, but we're going to put them on there for the video. These corner lights on the Jeeps, they come amber, as you can see on that one. What we're able to do here is get you an LED one that comes clear. So if you're trying to match your truck a little bit better, make everything kind of look flush, we recommend going with that upgrade. So now I'm going to show you how the halos work. So as you got them on like that, you can see that on this side we have the amber halogen, and on the other side you have the LEDs. One cool thing about this, these halos, these are actually switchbacks. So what happens when I go to turn, if I'm turning to the right, they blink amber. When I'm done with my turn, they go back to white. And again, that's also true for the left side. So left, amber, done with my turn, back to white. All right, and then we're going to show you all the lighting we have for this one as well. Start with that bottom one, mid, and top. Again, so as you can tell, this customer, they wanted as much light as they could get. This is what we were able to do for them. Again, guys, any projects you guys have coming up, anything you need to have questions about, whether it's Jeep, any other vehicle, we specialize in lighting here, automotive lighting. You can find us online at thehidfactory.com, or again, any video we have here, we upload to our YouTube and we upload to our Facebook. So yeah, guys, just give us a call if you have any questions. Come by the shop, check us out online. Thanks again.